Now, I do want to tell you, in my rewards here, in the rewards tab, I do have the ability to now, because I have 14K, to be able to get $25 reward on feature points so far, because I'm in that $25 range. Now, I'm going to keep grinding so I can be able to get to 1,000.
Today, I want to bring you feature points and on how I made over $20,000 with this app, all for free. I didn't have to give them any money. They didn't need my social security number, just an email to where they want to send my payments. I'm at 609,000. That's 609K, which means that I can release the $1,000 PayPal, which is USD in the United States, which is cash that I can send to my debit card or my bank account and release it. But I'm explaining the things that you can do to make this money, okay? It's not going to happen overnight. We're going to head over to the rewards, and I'm going to show you guys how I did this. I'm at the purchase rewards. Now I'm going to count my 20,000. March 29th is 1,000. March 3rd, 2, 3rd, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. I never thought I'd get this high. I never, ever, 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 ever gave up, okay? Don't ever give up.
Of money, just free money, just by downloading points, free money, and it builds up. Okay, don't think this is a hoax. It's not and there is no, again, I'm gonna say there is no hack to feature points. If anyone on YouTube or anyone that's online saying that there is a hack, do not believe them, because there is none. It's about grind. I want to talk about points that are pending. I actually contacted Feature Points and spoke to someone in the help, and they actually have great customer service, mind you. They actually told me that when it comes down to pending points, you want to make sure that you have the same Wi-Fi connection, which means that if I went in and I downloaded Magic Rush Heroes, right? I downloaded, did it for 2 minutes, and then on my points are pending. If I come out of my, where, let's say you have a tablet or something like that, which I've been doing everything on my tablet. If I leave out of the area of where I did my downloading, okay, my Wi-Fi, okay, what happens is it may take longer for you to get your points because the Wi-Fi signal is changed. So you want to make sure that you give yourself time. It can take up to 24 hours to 48 hours for you to be able to get your points. So keep that in mind if you're trying to figure out why it's pending, okay?